Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Tuesday. Just a few more days of the month. But let's talk about last night where I did a baked sweet potato bar. Comfort food, yummy, easy. You just add some nice adjectives to it. No recipe required. Just some technique. That's it. All the goodies. My cat's going crazy. Zoom, zoom. I don't know. All right. Back to what I was saying. But it was good. I just dropped an article in the group about yams/sweet potatoes. Check it out. I didn't know it till last night. Today is the next to last culinary expedition meal where I'm going to be preparing Kukulhu Riha, which is a Moldovan chicken curry. So we're actually in the Maldives. The Maldives. There's a V there. Excuse me. It's a chicken dish. I'm just getting weary. That's all. Chicken, a kind of a put together curry. No actual blend. There's some special herbs and spices that go in with this, and served with rice or, so forth. Blah blah blah. So, one more down, and I got one more tomorrow. And then the year is over. So, don't forget, all the recipes in the past and this week are on the website, casualchef.us. Just follow the links. It's that simple. You could be cooking what I'm cooking tonight as well. So, and don't forget, From the Road is still available. It's available on Amazon. Just type in From the Road and search for it that way. Okay, shameless plug. Sorry. I'm very proud of that book. It's really, really cool. And I'm working on a bunch of other stuff in the background. So on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.